The University Museum and Art Gallery has among its Chinese bronze collection a group of 945 Nestorian bronze crosses cast in the Ordos region of Inner Mongolia during the Yuan Dynasty. Nestorian crosses measure between 3 and 8 centimeters in height, are flat, plaque-like ornaments with an outline in high relief, and have a loop on their backs to facilitate strapping to human clothing or girdles. Each cross has its own unique Christian and Buddhist motif, and the rare survival of red-colored ink deposits on intermittent lower parts of the cross suggests that they were used as chops or personal seals, able to then transfer their individual designs through stamping. Nestorian crosses are described as crosses, as the majority are crucifix in form with either flat or round ends. Other crosses are in the shape of animals, predominantly birds, but also hares and fish, or are in geometric patterns, such as sunlight designs in miscellaneous Chinese seal-like forms. Early cruciform shapes appeared in Quanzhou in Fujian province in the Ordos region, and declined after the 14th century. Examples include the bronze plaques, which are predominantly Maltese crosses with 4 equally long arms extending from a center square or circle. Other important examples are the Syrian crosses, in which the arms are connected with curved or straight bars. One common detail found on Nestorian crosses is the swastika, both left and right turning. The swastika is a Buddhist symbol, but is regularly featured as the central part on the cross. As a result, many crosses have mixed Christian and Buddhist motifs, a hybrid characteristic specific to the Nestorians. Other crosses are in the shape of birds, either single or double, as one bird with 2 heads or as a pair of intertwined birds. Both the double-headed design and the double birds repeat the strict symmetry of the cruciform shapes and the geometry known in Persian art. Therefore, this stylistic feature may also be a possible cultural influence introduced to China by Silk Road travelers and known to the Ordos Nestorians.